where to find Shake to Dismiss, how to turn it on, and how it works. This is for the Galaxy Watch 7 or the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra. Let's get started. To find this feature, let's just say you're viewing the clock face and you'll swipe down from the very top to get into the quick access and tap on the settings icon right here. Once in this section, go down some more until you see buttons and gestures. In here now, just go down and past all the pressing, go to the gestures section, and you'll see Shake to Dismiss. So you'll need to turn it on first, and to get an idea of how it works, basically it's rotating your wrist twice to decline incoming calls or dismiss alerts or reminders and so forth. So once you select try it, you can go ahead and test it out yourself, and it'll tell you if you did it correctly, okay? So it's a kind of like a double spin, and it'll tell you that you got it if you did it correctly. So and you'll feel it vibrate, and it tells you that you got it. So that's how you go about doing it, and that's that, like and said.